Let's learn how to enable clear icon on iOS 26. This is the new update which iPhone introduced to you in new update iOS 26, and on that way we can have more beautiful and cleaner screen. So because of that, to turn on clear icons you need to go long press on screen, whatever you want. When the apps start shaking, you can see in the top left corner of the screen little edit button, and you need to click on it. When you do that, that will open to you a little pop-up menu with 4 different options, from which you need to go on second one, which called Customize. And then in the bottom of the screen, iPhone open to you a side page with 5 different type of customize. And for our case, we need to choose third one called Clear. And on that way, you will have a clear icons on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.